burns and their outcomes in terms of scars or other sequelae. Let's discuss the various outcomes of different types of burns in us. Hi, I'm Deepthi, consultant plastic surgeon, to discuss more elaborately on burns and how to take care of yourself in case you had a burn injury. Consider this a burn series, and today we are discussing about only superficial burns and their sequelae. In case you had a burn, say suppose it's a hot water burn or a hot oil burn, the depth of injury could be usually up till the superficial layers. This is called as superficial burns. What do we do? And this is the most common type of burn that we see in our households or for small children. What do we do when we have a superficial burn? When we have a superficial burn, the first intent of a person at home should be to reduce the depth of the injury. For that, you need to cool the area immediately. So run to a tap of water and thoroughly wash the area. This will reduce the heat going further deep and reduce the damage to the cells in the deeper level. Next, what do? If the wound is small enough, you might take an oral advice from a doctor, or you go ahead with some antibiotic or antiseptic creams. But if the wound is beyond a certain level, say suppose more than 5 to 10 centimeters, definitely you would be concerned about the scar in the area. So how do we avoid scars in superficial burns in the long term? First and most important, see an expert. They will give you a better advice. On large area of superficial burns, in some cases like children, we go for some treatments like collagen. These artificial biological barriers, they are artificial biological barriers which help in reducing further fluid loss from these areas. When the burn area is very large, the biggest problem here is not a scar but fluid loss, and then metabolic disturbances, and then probably larger complications. So the first thing is to avoid fluid loss and definitely go ahead for this biological sheath dressings. So this will reduce systemic complications, the complications that arise in the body. Then after you have come out of the initial dangerous phase, usually that takes for around 24 to 48 hours, then comes the primary healing phase. This phase is very important for you to have a good and refined scar in the long term. So what do we do in this phase? Usually an expert would give you some faster healing creams or epithelial growth factors or some silicone based creams which will enhance the hydration and the healing properties of this particular burnt skin. A particular way of dressing also helps in giving a better outcome in the long run. But all this is better decided by your expert plastic surgeon rather than taking things into hand. So after the first 1 to 2 weeks of healing phase, which is guided by your doctor, what do you do at home? The key is hydration. Hydration is the key for burnt skin, because burnt skin is still new skin and it doesn't have all the needed sebum and sweat glands. So you need to supplement those products from the outside for a better healing. Burnt skin is almost like a newborn skin, so you need to take the required care for the burnt skin. Always hydrate that skin. At least apply a moisturizer, or in the best form a coconut oil every 2 to 3 hours, and also do mild massages at least once or twice a day. This increases the blood circulation and you're supplementing hydration, and this is the best combination to have a perfect scar, or I should say perfect normal skin in the long run. If you follow these particular remedies particularly and religiously, in most of the cases superficial burns end up in normal looking skin. And how long should you take care of this? Usually we say theoretically skin takes 2 years to heal from a scar. So probably if not for 2 years, continue this on a burnt area at least for 6 months to 1 year, so that your results are paid off in the long run. Stay tuned to our channel to know further information about second degree and third degree burns and also post burn sequelae. If you like this video and you feel it's helpful, please like, share and subscribe Eternal Aesthetics channel.